up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and it's time for me to give you guys my full review on the Opvicam. Now, the Opvicam is the dash cam that I've been running in my BMW, the Hyundai, and the truck for the last, a little bit over a month. And I actually have one to give away. I went ahead and liked it so much that I bought a slightly higher version of the one than they sent me. So I'm going to be giving one away that is used in today's review. Now, the biggest part of a dash cam is to see how good the footage is, and this thing actually shoots native 4K, not upscaled 4K. There's a difference. Native 4K, meaning the 4K footage on this thing is dumb. But needless to say, let's go ahead and take a look at some of it while we're driving, and I'll give you guys an idea of just how good the dash cam is. One of the things I really like about this thing is just the native 4K. Like, just the footage on this thing is butter. You know, the frames per second, everything that you're getting on this as far as just a camera, as far as a dash cam, is super solid. It's tracking ability on objects, you know, how quick it gets things into focus, all of that. And it's so mountable. I mean, you can put it up high, you can put it down low like I have here. I actually have another cam that sits up on my mirror, but running one of these, what I did was I ended up buying two. I'm going to put one in the front and one in the rear, so I have, you know, front and rear coverage. Somebody rear ends me or something, I have the video. If they try to run or something, I'll get their plate, their tag, all that good stuff. But I mean, look at this, man. I mean, this road makes the car feel like it's shaking. It's got like I think they do it on purpose. It's got like a little wave or whatever in the pavement. So it's not the greatest, but to be honest, just to see, and I just watched it put another vehicle. It sees vehicles and like puts them into focus as you're driving. I have to be honest. As far as a dash cam goes, this is clearly one of the best that I've ever used. So, let me know what you guys think about the Opvicam. Do you guys like the footage that comes out of it? I love it. I think it's great. It definitely fills a need. In today's driving world, it's just imperative to have it. You know, yes, my car has like a Century feature as a BMW. If I'm getting into an accident, it does take pictures and videos and all that good stuff with the cameras that are on the car. But nothing beats it. Like, look, here's the thing. If I would have had this 4K dash cam, this Opvicam on my window when the semi-truck pushed the Petty Roosevelt off the road, like, there'd be no question on who did what and how far he was in the lane and all. Like, no, negative. It'd have been, case would be over. I'd already have a settlement. So, the biggest thing I can tell you is hope that you never have to use it. But if you ever have to use it, the dash cam, once you buy it, it will literally pay for itself if you ever get into an accident. Well, if you're not at fault. If you're at fault, I can't tell you what to do. But, needless to say, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. What do you guys think about the footage and whatnot from the Opvicam 4K? There will be a link in the description if you want to pick one up, and I believe at the time I post this, they may also have a coupon code for me that will also be in the description for you as well. With that said, ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys very much for watching. I love and appreciate the support that you guys are giving me, especially on videos like this, where it's more of a review and less about car stuff. It means the world to me. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.